Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Well, a very good Tuesday afternoon to everyone. Look at that. We're taking a look at our one shoreline camera. Just gorgeous. Finally seeing some clearing skies. We got some sunshine into the coastal bend. A very welcome sight in the region after a couple of weeks of nothing but dreary conditions. Lots of clouds. Still holding on to cloud coverage as we look at our Nissan Automotive 6 weather bug off in Kingsville. Temperatures into the upper 60s, but sunshine is on the way. Aztec Chevrolet 6 weather bug off in Beeville. We're talking nothing but sunshine there with temperatures into the upper 60s. Just gorgeous. A really, really nice shot to see. What's ahead for us, though? Can we expect the clear skies to stay with us? Well, for the time being, yes. There's the ahead of the forecast, but mostly clear, dry, and chilly for tonight. We're going to have some good radiational cooling across the region, so a lot of the heat that we're getting right now quickly going to evaporate off into the atmosphere, so a chilly night. Although a sensational Wednesday will be on the way for us here. Lots of sunshine to go around, and temperatures, yeah, they're going to start to warm up. We're going to be pushing the 80s. In fact, we're going to be getting close to 90s as we go into the middle of the week, and really going to wish that maybe the cool temperatures stuck around. We may give the ACs a bit of a flex there by the end of the week, but a front on Sunday, that means the clouds will return. And yes, we'll start to see showers once again as we go on into the weekend and early next week as well. But the dew points, look at this. These were holding on into the 50s and 60s. Everyone is into the 30s with the exception of the Naval Air Station at 45, even some 20s for the inland areas. That is super, super dry air that has really made its way into the coastal bend. So our 24-hour dew point changes are very significant, almost pushing minus 50 degrees there. So this is just an indication that all the humidity that we had in the air is now off into the Gulf of Mexico. We're into the upper 60s right now, 61 degrees, our water temperature out of the Packery Channel with northerly winds going about 7 to 14 miles an hour. If you have plans for tonight, go along with them. It is going to be gorgeous out there. Again, you may want to take the light jacket with you as temperatures go into the lower 50s. Some of the cloud coverage that we have near the coastline, that'll start to escape off into the Gulf of Mexico with north-northeasterly winds 6 to 12. A pretty finite line there where those sunshine and the cloud coverage is located. But again, the clouds, there is some sunshine breaking through there. It is cool and dry up to the north. High pressure going to continue to dominate our weather pattern going into the next 48 hours. In fact, it's all the way into the upper Midwest, or I should say to the northern plains. Upper Midwest, they're dealing with some snowfall there. That's where the bulk of all the energy is, and so the rainfall has pushed off into the eastern and southeastern half of the United States. Still cold though, 2 degrees in Bismarck, 8 in Pierre. We're at 57 in Amarillo. It's pretty cool all across the Lone Star State. And as we look at the upper levels of the atmosphere, you see all this brown, all this dry air. Again, some of that moisture that's lingering across our region right now, that's just going to continue to push on down as this high builds right on in. So let's look at it on our weather pattern map as we go into tomorrow. High pressure in control, sunny, mild. Again, a gorgeous, sensational day, however you want to put it, with temperatures into the middle to lower 70s. And then on Valentine's Day, again on Thursday, high pressure. We'll get some return flow off the Gulf of Mexico, but it is going to be warm out there as temperatures get close into the 80s, and we'll have a little bit of some increasing winds on Valentine's Day with a few more extra clouds. And then on Friday, mainly sunny, the highs soar, and that's when we get into the middle, getting close to upper 80s. As we take a look at it on our future tracker going on into tonight, mainly clear skies early in the morning, mainly sunny on into the afternoon. It's been a while since we've seen that, and that's going to last all the way in through Thursday, and yes, even through Friday as well. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. We go to 73 tomorrow after a chilly start. Inland areas into the upper 30s, 79 on Valentine's Day, 82 on Friday. And look at Saturday, 86 degrees ahead of the next front. That's when we start to see a couple of showers and we get temperatures back into the 50s and 60s. Paulo.